I'm gonna fly my helicopter. Here I go. You can't. Can you see it? Wait, no.
No.
Fly up. Watch. I'm gonna fly it over there by the roof. Oh! It broke. It broke. No. They'll never know. They'll never know what happened. No, this is
what happened when you
this is your daddy's helicopter. Not good.
This is what happened if you fly your helicopter into the house.
Wait, let's show them. Pick that up. Pick it up. We gotta hide this. Just tell your daddy that it flew away and never came back. Oh crap! I'll put it down. Holy crapola. That ain't good.